Here's 3 reasons why you need to start an Airbnb business. Hi guys, my name's Dave. I'm the Airbnb Coach. If you get some value from this or you want to get started in Airbnb, please hit subscribe. So my first reason is the money you can make from Airbnb. If you're currently in property already and you have buy-to-lets, you might be getting £700, £800, £900 per month from your tenants. When you go on Airbnb, that income gets turbocharged. That same property could be bringing you in £3,000 per month. You're really maximizing the income from the property, reaching its full potential. You could be earning the market rent in one weekend from that same property, and there are 4 weekends in a month. It's property investing brought into the 21st century. And this is even more important nowadays. It seems like for property investors, it's just getting harder and harder to be one. There's more legislation being brought in. There's more squeeze on property investors. You can't offset your mortgage payments any longer as a cost. With Airbnb, you can. The second reason why you need to get an Airbnb business is that it can be run from anywhere in the world. All you need is a phone or a laptop and access to the internet, and you can be communicating with guests from anywhere. You can be processing bookings and payments anywhere in the world. You're no longer exchanging your time for money, and it is not 9-to-5 job. This business runs whether you're working on it or not. It's a proper business where you're making money while you sleep or while you're on holiday. You'll be waking up and seeing bookings have come in, reviews have come in, the business is generating money while you're not even doing anything to do that. And the third reason why you need to get an Airbnb business is the time freedom it gives you. Yes, there is a lot of work involved in managing the property, in the cleaning, guest communications, and dealing with all the other bits and pieces. But the key is that this can all be systemized. You can get other people to do a lot of the work for you, and that frees you up to work on the things that you want to do. And now more than ever, people value their time. Everyone's been stuck at home during the pandemic. They've got used to working from home, working on their own terms, working when they want to, and Airbnb is perfect for that. So in summary, you can set up an Airbnb business, fit it around your lifestyle, manage it from anywhere in the world, and make serious money from it. If you want to learn more, hit that subscribe button. If you have any questions about getting started in Airbnb, please leave me a comment. If you want to learn exactly how to do it, click the link below, book a strategy call with me, and I can talk you through it. Thanks for watching.